This 5-minute solution will show you how to schedule Facebook Reels for free in Facebook Meta Business Suite. Follow me to easily schedule your reel from Meta Business Suite. So first of all, let's open Meta Business Suite. And its link is business.facebook.com. Once you are in Meta Business Suite, make sure to select here your professional account where you want to schedule your reel. And now click on content. And here, make sure to select post and reels. And now click on create reel. And now click on this share to drop down and select the page where you want to post or schedule the reel. And now click on add video to upload your reel video from your computer. And here it may take some time to upload your video. And here you will see the reels preview. And now scroll down. Here you can write your reel description and scroll down. Here you can add a collaborator to your Facebook reel and they will automatically be invited and you can send an invitation directly. Once the video uploaded, now scroll down and here click on next. And here you can choose a thumbnail from these suggested list, or you can upload a thumbnail for your reel from your computer by clicking on upload image, or you can click on choose frame to select a thumbnail from your frames. And now all you have to need, just click on next. And here you can add a copyright free music to your reel. Here you will get lots of music, or you can search for a specific music using this search box. If you want to mute original audio volume, then you can do it from here. Now all you have to need, just click on next. And here you will get schedule option, so click on it. And now select a date to schedule the reel and select the time you want to schedule. And now click on schedule. And that's it. As you can see, I've scheduled this reel video. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.